Hi everyone! In this short video, I decided to make a flip through of this very cute book by Rita Berman. It's not a new book, but it's my first book by Rita, and I decided that I want to add this short flip through to the playlist where I have reviews of all books in my collection. Rita Berman is a German illustrator. She already published a lot of books, and I especially like her series dedicated to different seasons. Here I have a book about fall, my Herbstspaziergang. You probably know that I failed to learn German. I tried 2 times, but I wasn't very successful. So I think that the name of the book is My Autumn Walk. I think that first of all, Rita have a very nice style of drawing. Everything seems very simple, but in the same time very cute. Also, I love the size of the book. It's nice to have a possibility to finish beautiful project in shorter amount of time when you don't need to spend hours and hours for just one page. Also, I love variety of subjects. Of course, my favorite pictures here are landscapes, beautiful fall scenes, but I also love pictures with apples, with corn, with pumpkins. Book size is the same as for the books of Good Wives and Warriors. Book has a nice soft cardstock cover. Paper is of nice thickness, and I think that it has nice tools for each brand of pencils. And this one is my favorite pictures. Maybe it will be my first in this book. I think that it will be nice to color in this book with some calm colors like sets of Derwent drawing pencils or maybe with Derwent graphite ink where we don't have extremely bright colors but all colors are very natural and very suitable for fall pictures. But of course, couple of pictures here I want to do in bright colors, especially with vegetables and with pumpkins. In couple of reviews I heard that paper is not very suitable for watercolors, but I have tested it and so far I didn't have problems with bleeding. So I don't know, do I want to use watercolors for the backgrounds or not? Pictures are small, so it will be perfectly easy to do everything with pencils, but paper is really nice, so I will think about which mediums I will be using in this book. Also, I think that Rita has a very cute style of drawing animals. They are very sweet. I especially love here the bear and the hedgehog. When I work on some complicated project, like coloring in Tomislav Tomic with a lot of details, where I have to color with pencils each and every detail, it's nice to have a second project, smaller time with simpler image, and when you can switch between two different styles of coloring books, for me it's more inspiring, more relaxing, so I am really happy that I added this book to my collection. In the end, we also have a couple of pictures which are more for the winter season, so nice addition to the collection of pictures for December. I know that Rita is quite popular illustrator and a lot of you have her books in your collections, So please let me know which one of her books is your favorite, and I hope that you will join me in my color alongs during fall season. Thank you for watching and have a happy August!